Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file court documents in Florida. First, you'll need to register for an account on the Florida Court's e-filing portal. This is your gateway to submitting legal documents electronically. Make sure all your documents are converted to PDF format and meet the required formatting standards before you begin. Having all your case information and party details ready will streamline the process significantly. Once logged in, select the appropriate case type and jurisdiction for your filing. This ensures your documents go to the correct court. Next, upload your prepared PDF documents. Double-check that every page and attachment is included and legible. Before hitting submit, take a moment to thoroughly review all filing details, including party information and document descriptions, to prevent errors. Many filings require a fee, which you can securely pay directly through the portal using a credit card or other accepted methods. After successful payment and submission, you will receive an immediate confirmation. This confirmation typically includes a transaction number and a timestamp. It is crucial to save this one confirmation number, as it serves as proof of your filing and is essential for tracking your submission. After submission, regularly check the e-filing portal for updates on your document status. The court clerk will review your submission, and you might receive a deficiency notice if corrections are needed. Respond to these notices promptly to avoid delays. You can also access your filed documents and any subsequent court orders directly through your secure account, keeping you informed every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.